The next thing that I'll just talk about is the ecosystem entities and the platform architecture as a set of domains. So firstly, we just kind of talk to this this thinking here, and there's a lot more behind this, a lot of detail. We've got to have some bounded rationality and figure out how to display these things and talk about things in a little bit more compartmentalized ways. So this is based on the platform ecosystem toolkit, platform design toolkit by Boundaryless. Amazing work by the team there at Boundaryless to open source and have this as Creative Commons. If you aren't familiar with the platform design toolkit, I definitely suggest checking it out. So what we have here are different entities. So platform owners, essentially, this would be an entity that owns the platform, that owns the vision and shapes the direction of the ecosystem. Now, as a platform co-op, it is essentially owned by the members, partners, different types of entities that are relevant here. As you can see, big consulting firms, different professional associations and entities, commercial organizations, existing communities of practice, bodies like the Open Banking Implementation Entity, OECD, regulators, a whole range of different entities that are relevant as platform partners that would be partnering with the Greater Than Learning Platform Cooperative to see through the evolution of the ecosystem, that have a stake in it, that are interested in it, that are aligned in some way to designing more trustworthy, ethical and responsible technology products and services. Peer producers, now there's blurred lines. People are both consumers and producers in this type of platform, but for the purposes of this discussion, peer producers are entities that might be creating learning experiences and courseware, for instance. That courseware might be through scaffolding, it might be learning experiences that are more challenge-based learning or project-based learning, or it might be just distinct micro-learning experiences. So there's different organizations and entities that are relevant here. And then the consumers, the different types of individuals and organizations that are relevant to consuming the products and services, both the learning side and the capability uplift from the platform itself, and then broader ecosystem stakeholders as external stakeholders. These might be regulators and consumers or companies and organizations themselves.